castle stands so tall and wide, and there the knight will softly ride. His horse so strong, his armor bright, they guard the kingdom through the night.
The rain falls down, a quiet song. It helps the knight stay brave and strong. The night is calm, the world is still, as he rides around the shadowed hill.
Clip clop, round he goes, guarding where the river flows. The rain will sing, the stars will shine, as the night protects the castle fine. The torches flicker in the breeze, while all the world is at its ease. But still the knight must make his way and keep the peaceful night at bay.
His horse steps lightly on the ground, so quietly without a sound. And though the rain taps soft and low, the night is watchful as they go.
Clip clop, round he goes, guarding where the river flows. The rain will sing, the stars will shine, as the night protects the castle fine.
Through shadows deep and lanes so dark, the night will ride without a spark. His silver shield and sword so bright are glimmering in the moon's soft light.
The castle towers tall and grand are safe beneath the knight's command. With every turn and every stride, the kingdom sleeps while he will ride.
The clouds drift by, the moon is clear. The night has nothing left to fear.
The rain is soft upon his face, but still he keeps his steady pace.
His horse so loyal knows the way. They'll guard the night until the day. And when the dawn begins to break, the night will rest beside the lake.
Clip clop, round he goes, guarding where